My name is Joshua Ariel and I am from Anglo-Chinese School Primary. I have been with Mindstretcher for about a year and I am taking Primary 6 High Achiever English, Math and Science classes. Yes, Mrs. Tang is my favorite teacher as she is very effective in teaching science concepts. Most of my favorite memories about these lessons throughout this year have been my science teacher, Mrs. Tang, conducting experiments in front of us. I first heard about her in the webinars when I was P5, and I thought that her Mindstretcher webinars were very useful to me. So I decided to sign up for her only Primary 6 class, which was over here at Bishan for high achievers. The high achiever worksheets are very interesting as they are different from the normal worksheets in Mindstretcher. There is one segment in the high achiever worksheets which I particularly like, which is the higher order thinking questions. They test students on concepts that are not in the syllabus but still are science related. MS has helped me a lot in my student life as Mindstretcher teachers are able to clarify any doubts that the students have, and they are also able to teach in a unique way which makes the class more lively and it makes the class less boring, because most tuition centers are quite boring, as I have learned from some experience. MS is very different from other tuition centers that I have attended, as they teach students the concepts and they make sure the students understand the concepts before they actually learn the concepts. This is a very effective way of teaching as it enables the students to remember these concepts better, especially in science, and it is better than trying to make students memorize these concepts. I have also attended the PSLE Power Up as well as the Last Lab by Mindstretcher. Although the boot camps are about 7 hours, the teachers are very interactive with the students and they are always interacting with the students and making the boot camp interesting and enjoyable. It is an enjoyable experience for the students, and they can also clarify any doubts that they have through the Q&A function in the boot camp. The English oral bootcamp I attended was conducted by Mr. Alvin Quek, and it was very useful to me as Mr. Alvin was able to point out any weak points that I had, and together with him I was able to fix these weak points and become better at oral. This has helped me a lot in my PSLE oral examination, as I have also become more confident whenever I speak, which not only helps me in my PSLE but also helps me in my daily life. After the PSLE oral bootcamp, there were 2 mock tests conducted by Mr. Alvin Quet, and these mock tests were able to help me a lot as he was able to give me feedback about my oral and was also able to give me very unique strategies to help me overcome my oral examination. It is always good to clarify all your doubts with your Mindstretcher teacher, as your Mindstretcher teacher would most probably be able to answer all of your questions. MS Study Buddy, which is the learning platform online which Mindstretcher has set up, is also very useful if you have missed anything in class or you want to revise any of your concepts. I would most certainly recommend Mindstretcher to other students, as Mindstretcher has helped me a lot in my student life, and since it has helped me a lot, I think it should be able to help other students such as friends of mine which have trouble in English, Math or Science. And since Mindstretcher has helped me a lot, it should be able to help them as well.